Did you know that your kidneys filter around 50 gallons of blood every single day? Yes, this is absolutely true. These two small organs work without getting tired for the whole day and night and keep your body running smoothly. They not only filter your blood, but they perform many other important tasks. However, most people overlook the health of these vital organs until there is a serious problem with them. So, in today's video, we will walk you through some of the most simple and effective ways to make your kidneys strong and healthy and protect them from damage. So, without any delay, let's begin. But before we dive into the tips, let's take a moment to understand just how important our kidneys are. Kidneys are vital organs that perform several essential functions in the body. One of their primary roles is filtering blood and removing waste products, toxins, and excess fluids. These waste products are then removed from your body in the form of urine. But that's not all. Kidneys also play a major role in controlling blood pressure by regulating salt and fluid levels. They're responsible for balancing key electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and calcium, minerals that are crucial for muscle and nerve function. On top of all that, kidneys produce hormones that help with red blood cell production and support bone health. So this is why it is important to keep kidneys healthy and strong, as they are important for overall health. Now that you know how important your kidneys are, let's talk about how you can keep them strong and healthy. Here are some simple tips to help you take the best care of them. Number 1. Stay hydrated, but not overhydrated. The first and one of the most important tips that you should follow in order to keep your kidneys healthy is hydration. It is the simplest, yet most powerful thing you can do for your kidneys. When you are properly hydrated, your kidneys are able to filter the waste and toxins out of your blood in a better way. This helps your body to stay clean and healthy from the inside out. A famous study published by the National Institute of Health also suggests that appropriate hydration supports optimal kidney health by helping to clear waste and toxins efficiently. Moreover, proper hydration also prevents kidney stones by diluting the minerals in urine, which can otherwise crystallize and form stones. On the other hand, if you are dehydrated, this can put extra strain on your kidneys and increase the risk of kidney stones. However, remember not to overhydrate. This is because overhydration can dilute essential minerals in your body. This affects the balance of fluids that your kidneys work very hard to maintain. So, how much water should you drink in a day? The experts suggest that you should aim for at least 6 to 8 glasses of water. But this can vary for different individuals. It is because it depends on different factors, like your body weight, your physical activity level, and even the climate you live in. To stay properly hydrated, simply carry a refillable water bottle with you wherever you go. This will help you stay hydrated without turning to sugary drinks or caffeinated options, which can affect your kidney health in a bad way. Number 2. Eat fresh vegetables and fruits. Fresh fruits and vegetables are naturally low in sodium, contain essential vitamins and minerals, and are packed with antioxidants. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation and protect your kidneys from oxidative stress, which can damage kidney cells over time. Leafy greens, berries, apples, and bell peppers are especially beneficial for kidney health because they're nutrient-dense but low in harmful substances like potassium and phosphorus, which can strain the kidneys in large amounts, especially for those with kidney issues. Moreover, eating a variety of vegetables and fruits also supports overall health, helping to lower blood pressure and keep your body's pH levels balanced, which is easier on the kidneys. Fresh produce also has a high water content, which can help in hydration, supporting kidney function by helping flush out waste and toxins. Plus, by focusing on fresh options, you're less likely to eat processed foods that are high in sodium, preservatives, and unhealthy fats, all of which can stress your kidneys. So, try to fill half of your plate with vegetables and fruits at each meal. By doing so, you're getting the nutrients your body needs to stay strong and healthy. Number 3. Cut back on salt and sugar. The third tip that you should consider for having a stronger and healthier kidney is to reduce the use of salt and sugar. These are the two main ingredients that are especially very harmful to your kidneys. This is because high salt intake increases blood pressure, one of the major risk factors for your kidneys. High blood pressure damages the blood vessels throughout the body, including those supplying the kidneys, which can reduce the blood flow to the kidneys, and this can place extra stress on your kidneys and lead to long-term kidney damage. So, limit your salt intake. The general allowed sodium intake is under 2,300 milligrams a day, which is roughly 1 teaspoon of salt. However, if you already have any kidney issues, reduce your intake to less than 2,000 milligrams per day. For this, opt for whole foods over processed options. Prefer to cook at home instead of restaurants. Read food labels carefully and choose the ones with lower sodium content. On the other hand, too much sugar can increase your risk of developing diabetes, which is also one of the leading causes of kidney disease. As per famous research published by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, high blood sugar levels, also known as hyperglycemia, can damage the blood vessels and filters in the kidneys. This can cause the kidneys to leak protein into the urine, which is an early sign of kidney disease. As the disease progresses, the kidneys become less effective at filtering waste from the blood, and waste products build up. This can lead to chronic kidney disease, CKD, which can eventually cause the kidneys to fail. So, instead of sugary drinks and sweets, reach for whole fruits, which satisfy your sweet cravings with natural sugars, and add fiber and nutrients that benefit your kidneys. Number 4. Manage your blood pressure. Next up, you should keep your blood pressure in check. As mentioned earlier, high blood pressure puts extra strain on the delicate blood vessels in the kidneys, damages them, and makes it harder for them to filter waste and maintain fluid balance. Over time, this stress can lead to kidney damage and even kidney disease. To keep blood pressure in a healthy range, adopt lifestyle changes. Regular physical activity, even just a brisk 30-minute walk daily, can help lower blood pressure and improve overall heart and kidney health. Additionally, a balanced diet low in sodium and rich in whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can support healthy blood pressure levels. Managing stress is another key component. High stress can increase blood pressure, so find relaxation techniques that work for you, like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. It's also a good idea to monitor your blood pressure regularly, especially if you have a family history of hypertension. If you're on medication, follow your healthcare provider's instructions closely. Number 5. Include healthy fats in your diet. Another best option to keep your kidneys healthy and strong is to include healthy fats in your diet. This is because healthy fats can help you reduce inflammation and protect your kidneys from damage caused by oxidative stress. They can also provide you with enough energy without putting any additional stress on your kidneys. Some of the best sources of healthy fats include olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds. These sources are rich in both monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats are very beneficial and a far better choice than trans fats, which are found in many processed foods and can increase inflammation and harm your kidneys. You can use olive oil for cooking, add a handful of nuts to your meals, and enjoy avocados on toast for a quick and kidney-friendly snack. Number 6. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol. Another tip that is going to add more to your kidney health is that you should say goodbye to smoking and alcohol. These are two major habits that can put additional strain on your kidneys. If you smoke too much, it can reduce blood flow to your kidneys. And if your kidneys are not receiving enough blood, then it will impair their function and will potentially lead to severe damage over time. Alcohol, on the other hand, is worse than smoking. It is because alcohol dehydrates your body and disrupts your blood pressure. This then increases the workload on your kidneys, which obviously damages them. So, you should reduce or, ideally, eliminate these habits. If you are trying to quit smoking or cut down on alcohol, and you are unable to do so, then you should not hesitate to reach out for professional support. You can talk to a healthcare provider about the different available management strategies. The professional will guide you through making these very important healthy changes. And It will have significant benefits on your kidneys and on your overall health. Number 7. Stay active with regular exercise. Exercise is another important factor that is very beneficial for your overall health, including the kidneys. A well-known study published in Kidney International suggests that engaging in moderate exercise can help lower blood pressure and improve kidney function in people at risk for or with chronic kidney disease. Regular physical activity, even at a moderate level, supports cardiovascular and kidney health by reducing inflammation, improving blood circulation, and helping in weight management. Regular physical exercises also help to slow down the progression of chronic kidney disease. Exercise also helps kidneys by managing blood sugar levels, which is also very crucial for kidney health. So, you should go for at least 30 minutes of exercise each day of the week to reap the maximum benefits. Keep in mind that you don't need to engage yourself in high-intensity workouts to make a difference. You can go for simple workouts like walking, yoga, or even light stretching, and it will provide you with substantial benefits. Number 8. Avoid overusing painkillers. Next up, you should be very careful while you are using painkillers. These painkillers are among the most common factors that can cause permanent damage to your kidneys. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, or NSAIDs, like ibuprofen and naproxen, are especially harmful to your kidneys if you use them too frequently. A famous research study published in the American Journal of Kidney Diseases suggests that NSAIDs actually work by reducing the production of certain chemicals that are involved in inflammation and pain. But when they are doing so, they can also reduce blood flow to your kidneys. And this can limit the ability of your kidneys to filter out the waste from your body in an effective way. If this continues for more time, then this reduction in blood flow can cause severe kidney damage or even kidney failure. So, limit the use of painkillers, especially NSAIDs. If you are managing chronic pain, then consult a healthcare provider to explore safer pain management alternatives. Instead of painkillers, you can opt for physical therapy, acupuncture, or certain non-NSAID pain medications that can offer you relief with a lower risk to kidney health. Number 9. Prioritize quality sleep. Another vital tip for keeping your kidneys strong and healthy is to make sure that you get quality sleep each day. Keep in mind that good sleep is very crucial for your health because it allows your body to repair and rejuvenate. This helps all of your organs to perform optimally, including your kidneys. However, if you have poor sleep patterns, then you will be at a very high risk of developing a kidney disease. This is because inadequate sleep will contribute to high blood pressure and increased stress, which can affect your kidneys in the long run. So, aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. For this, establish a regular sleep schedule and follow it regularly. You should avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and electronic screens close to your bedtime, as these can interfere with your restful sleep. Number 10. Get regular kidney function tests. And, last but not least, you should get regular kidney screenings. This is because kidney disease often doesn't show any symptoms until it's in its later stages. That's why these tests are so important. They can detect early signs of kidney problems before you even feel anything. The sooner issues are identified, the easier they are to manage and treat. The two main tests used to assess kidney function are the glomerular filtration rate, or GFR, and the urine albumin test. The GFR measures how well your kidneys are filtering waste from your blood, while the urine albumin test checks for protein in the urine, a sign of kidney damage. If you have risk factors like high blood pressure, diabetes, or a family history of kidney disease, it's especially important to get tested regularly. Even if you feel healthy, these tests can catch potential problems early when they're easier to address. So here we have the most effective tips that can keep your kidneys healthy and strong. Keep in mind that even small changes can make a big difference. You can start by making 1 or 2 of these changes today and follow them each day. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. See you in the next video.